Please help me.
Sure, I can help.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help?
Can I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Where is the bathroom?
It's over there.
How much is this?
It's $5.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
I don't understand.
I'll explain it again.
Can you repeat that?
Yes, I'll say it again.
I need some help.
I can help you.
I'm lost.
I can guide you.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I'll speak slowly.
I'm learning English.
That's great.
How do I get to the station?
Go straight and turn left.
Can you show me?
Yes, I'll show you.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Could you say that again?
Yes, I'll say it again.
I'm tired.
You should rest.
Where do you work?
I work at a company.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, I'll help you.
Can you give me directions?
Yes, follow me.
I'm busy.
I understand.
How can I help you?
I need some information.
Can you wait a moment?
Yes, I'll wait.
I'm going home.
Have a safe trip.
See you later.
See you soon.
Can I sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I borrow this?
Sure, you can borrow it.
Do you need help?
Yes, I could use some help.
Can you call me?
Yes, I'll call you.
I'm late.
That's okay.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
I'm ready.
Great, let's start.
Please wait for me.
I'll wait for you.
Where is the nearest bank?
It's down the street.
I'm not sure.
Let me check.
Can I try this on?
Yes, you can.
Have a good day.
You too.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
I hope you feel better.
Thank you. Hope so too.
I'm here on business.
That's interesting.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 siblings.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
What do you like to do?
I like to read.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Can you write it down?
Yes, I'll write it for you.
Can you give me a discount?
Let me check.
How far is it?
It's about 20 minutes away.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, you can.
How was your day?
It was good, thanks.
When does it open?
It opens at 9:30 a.m.
Is there a bus stop nearby?
Yes, it's around the corner.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Can you help me find this?
Yes, I'll help you.
Where is the hospital?
It's nearby, on Main Street.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I can't hear you.
I'll speak louder.
Please speak louder.
Okay, I will.
I'm bored.
Let's do something fun.
What's wrong?
I'm just feeling tired.
I'm worried.
Don't worry, it will be okay.
I'm not feeling well.
You should rest.
I'm tired of this.
Let's take a break.
I'm confused.
Let me explain again.
I'm happy.
I'm happy for you.
It's my fault.
Don't worry, it happens.
Don't worry about it.
Thanks, I won't.
I don't agree.
That's okay, we can discuss it.
I agree with you.
I'm glad we agree.
I understand.
That's great.
That sounds great.
Yes, it does.
I'm excited.
I'm excited for you too.
I'm impressed.
Thank you, I'll appreciate it.
I'll do my best.
I know you will.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, it means a lot.
It's too late.
Maybe we can try tomorrow.
I'm almost there.
Great, see you soon.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.